What's up, wonderful people? Today we have Volcano Bay. Come and join us. Let's go! So we just passed through the security checks. It was easy and quick. You can bring your water bottle. So when you go into the metal detector, just hold it. And every other things you need to go through the metal detector. Ooh. Check out the entrance. The volcano is about to erupt. Our first time here at Volcano Bay. We are very excited. So come and join us. If you enjoy our previous videos, we currently at Orlando Universals. Today is Mark Day 3. We are playing and enjoying our time in Volcano Bay. Don't forget to like, share, and consider subscribe. See ya and enjoy. This one, we go here. This area here reminds me of Indonesia, our country. And also remind me of Hawaii. So we had our honeymoon in Hawaii. So this is really reminds me of a good time. 48 inches for right. So yes, you're past 48. So you probably won't be able to go some rides where they require 54 inches. But this is good. Yeah. So we are currently in the surface area here. This is where you get your ticket and the check-in area. Let's go.
Perfect.
Oh, we got one too.
Yeah. Alright, you want? No.
Tapu Tapu wearable. We got one. Let's go. Woo, guys. The Volcano Bay. Shopping area, gift shop. Place itself is so beautiful. Look at this. Woo. Dancing dragons, another food area here. Power rentals here. Okay, so we're gonna rent a locker here. We're gonna get the family lockers. I think it's cost $20. So very easy. Once you link your payment here, processing catalyst. Locker 42. That's good. Very cool. Alright, kitty one.
It's so black. It's so hot.
This is the kids area. Okay, then you go. Have fun, Zion. Oh, goggle. Okay, you have to lift the goggle. Where's Zion?
Go there. That's so cool.
Let's get wet. Kid area is already fun. Alright, more little kiddie area around this here. This is the kiddie area. I think minimum for you to play around this is below 52. If you're above, you can play. Good? You like it? Big rides, baby. Let's go!
During the entire duration of the attraction.
Okay, we just finished the whole new rides. It's very awesome, very cool. 2 huge slides.
Papa, can I take off my Crocs, please?
Yeah, we're gonna take our Crocs.
Here.
Lazy River.
We're going inside the volcano.
We're inside the volcano, Zion! We're going out! No! So we are going to
Ikamona!
Woohoo!
The yellow, the blue looks taller.
Drop, let me know. Alright guys, how do you like the video so far? If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and consider to subscribe. They do provide here around this area to wash your feet. That's cool, right? So far the experience here is amazing. We love it so much. If you have been following us, our YouTube channels, we love water parks. So most of our videos are all about water park. Man, the idea is we want to share amazing experience with you all. So Volcano Bay, you are awesome. Most of the rides here, if it says right now, you don't need to scan. For that one here, you need to scan. Now it tells you that you can come back here for 10 minutes. It's actually great. That, you know, instead of you waiting for a long line, you can actually go do something else. Also, did I tell you that you also can buy food here? So you can link your credit card information to the Universal Studio app, and you don't have to bring your wallet. The life jacket here. Alright, the current here is pretty quick, it moves fast. I think the purpose of this fast is so that you can enjoy and float. Oh, there's also mist here. Bye. Wow, we are under the bridge. Look at this interior design. You see the faces here? There's a face here. And that's the volcano. Apparently this is how it looks like inside the volcano. Full of rides.
Wait, what is this for? So the trick, order online, guys. They serve it right away instead of that crazy long line.
There's 2 fried chicken, the red and the curry chicken.
Oh, get the curry chicken.
Yeah.
Alright, lunchtime. So we're having a chicken with fried rice. This one looks amazing. Curry. And that one too. The whip. And more fried rice. I'm sorry. That's what happened when I'm hungry. So we are currently at Volcano Bay restaurants, lunchtime right now. A few tips if you guys want to eat here, because it can get very long line and probably 30-45 minutes wait if you just want to eat. So the trick is order online. So it's pretty quick. We order online and go to the counter, tell them our order, and they make it right there on the spot, and the food's ready in less than 5 minutes. Time to eat.
Check this rib out. Moment of truth.
Can I have a try of that, Mama?
It's really good.
Can I have a try of that?
Absolutely. Yummy, right?
Yummy. Check out the drinks they have there. We are ordering the icy Coke and the blue something. This was blue raspberry iced tea. So far the experience here at Volcano Bay is amazing. I have to say, this is probably my favorite water park so far. Overall, the system, the way they work is also very professional, and I like the way they do this. What do you call this again? Tutu, sapu sapu? Tapu. Tapu tapu. The area here for Volcano Bay, I believe, is inspired in Hawaii. So you can feel the Hawaii setup here. The weather is also nice. Today is about 90 degrees, I believe. So it's pretty hot, but it's not humid, so it's just perfect. Today is not very crowded. I think the longest time that we waited was 30 minutes, maybe.
65 minutes.
No, not 65. I think that's the Orlando studio. but Volcano is probably at 30 minutes. It's not that long. Now, good things about also here, these things here, it helps you to reduce your wait time. So this is pretty cool. I like the way they work here. You also can, you know, it's like cashless. You don't have to use your credit card and bring your wallet every time wherever you go. You can pay with this tapu tapu. I'm very surprised with their curry here. This is delicious.
Surprisingly, this curry also comes with the plantain. This is my favorite. Plantain is so yummy. And in every dish that we order, it also comes with a salad. The salad, mango salad. The mango is huge.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah? This is mango, eh?
That's mango?
Right.
Huh? Do it. Oh, there you go. We are inside the volcano. We're gonna check these things around. They have few rides. Hopefully it's not a long ride. Let's go. It's nice. The volcano has the wave. The kids really love this area here. Let's go. They're following me. Unfortunately, there are many rides that we are unable to go. Few things is because we make a few mistakes here. We should have kept these things here while we are eating lunch or playing other stuff. But we didn't get a chance to play them because it's closing at 5 o'clock. Now it's already 4 something. Oh well. But we have one more ride to go. But in the meantime, let's play this pool here. The kids love this pool. This is the view we are looking at.
Yeah, look at this. Oh, the view. We look at the mountain.
Volcano.
The volcano.
Alright, this is our last ride. What is it called again? I forgot. I'll put the information here. But let's go. If you like this video, don't forget to like, consider to share, and also consider to subscribe. Thank you. Alright, we really have to go out there. Again, unfortunately, there are a few rides that we are unable to go because they are closing very soon. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. But here we are, the last ride. Let's go. They are kind of very picky about recording while you are riding. So, unfortunately, there are many ways they are unable to record. So, oh well, we're having fun as a family, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that one before was very fun.
That's so intense.
It was so intense, and the ride is like what, 19 seconds?
90
seconds! Wow.
90 seconds, so low.
Right.
Will you go round and round and drop?
I want more crazy.
I'm so
Zion and Gabriel did it.
I'm so proud of this boy and this one right here. They both did it.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, consider subscribe. I see you guys in the next one. Bye!